ha. I mark the healers also. Oh, spread southwest, boys. Huwag kayong mag-clap. Huwag kayong magsilip dyan. Huwag kayong sumilip, man. Please lang. For fuck's sake. Don't do that. I'm gonna call for brawl. Hold. OC now, OC now, OC now. OC now, food check. OC food check. Deftang, be careful ha. Hatakin kayo niyan, tapos papaliitin kayo. Let them come inside. Let them come inside. Then we're gonna full wipe. We're gonna full wipe. Hindi. Si sausage. Malakas sa likod ka, sa likod ah. Sa likod ah, yung DPS naman ha. Hayaan mo yun dito. We're gonna burl ah, Infernal on my clamp. Armaros sa likod ah. Sa likod yung ilapag ah. Hayaan mo sila mag-clear. Let them clear. Come east. Pull them east. Let them come here, boys. Let them come here. Lugi sila dito, gagawag bomb squad. Kalap nga. Hindi ako mag-choke. Open tayo dito. Open tayo. Sausage, careful front. They're looking to you, man. They're looking to you. Be careful. Come. Let them come. Pa-purge ako ng night element ha. Pa-purge the night element so we can clamp. Hello? Hello. So, spread lang. Establish lang tong ano, battle map. Establish lang. Fake yan, fake. Spread it back now. Back. Be careful, don't follow. Pinupull lang kayo ng battle mounts. They're pulling you, man. Hellfire, you need to be careful, Hellfire. Don't go to the front. They're looking now. They're inching now, huh? They feel engaged. Hold for now. Hold. Yo, D-tanks, ingat ha kasi papaliitin nila kayo then engage sa inyo, wala kayong skill ha. Nakita mo ginawa sa akin. Na-dodge ko lang. Sige. Ains, pwede ka dun, umikot ka dun sa likod nila, Ains, mamaya, tapos in-night armor mo sila pabalik. Purge night armor, mamaya na. Andyan sila, baka engage ka niyan. Pag pumasok sila dito, ikot ka dun na ipupush natin. Ayan na. Yung night armor mo. May life curse pa tayo? Wala. Sino yung life curse? Hila na ako, okay. Maghihilahin ako niyan. Careful dito. QSW to. Maghihila yan ha. Mag-QQ yan. Careful. Looking na. Ditang. Enemy looking ha. Ditang ready. Ayaw talaga. Gawin. Mikot. Kamas na. Palit. Swap side. Yes, D. Don't go front. You go north of the chest. And then life curse, okay? Tap the life curse on them. On the DPS. Oo nga, may polymorph. Be careful, man. Be careful. They have polymorph. Spread south more. Bago yung sword, ah. Tagal yun. Takot to. Gago. May DE sila. Same lang. Mas kutsi sila. Level 2 sila. Ay, wala ba? Okay. Spread south, boys. Spread south. Target na kayong dalawa dyan, ha?
Hindi na nagpainit.
Spread south. Looking na. Swapping side again. Eins. Lipat. East. Go east. Atak. Kamuis. Eins. Stand them. Northwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. On the clock. On the choke. Nice one. Now come back. Come back. Huwag mo na mag-board. Come back. May namatay sa kanila, wala. Come back. Defensive ready, ah. Come back. Tell me CDs defensive. 20 seconds yung light armor ko. Sa'yo, Ains. Okay na? Ains, ingat, Ains. Saka nakatingin na sa'yo. Ingat ka dyan. Ayan na, oh. Pumunta sa'yo, Ains. Bago, sarap nito mga tubito. Okay na mo. Spread east, spread south. He's looking. Sausage, he's looking to us. Martes, ha? Ako tingin sa'yo. Careful. Ako target ang puta. Come south. Just chill. Nag-reset lang to. Please double to. Looking. Fake engage. Let's fake engage. Kiss double to battle. He's looking now. Defense. West now. Stun them. Ditang stun them. Sige lang. Ditang stun them. Hindi kaya. Come back. Hindi na stun. Ditang, ready to stun kayo. Come southeast fast. Spread south na. Ditang ready stun, pa-stun ako. Then purge. Defense. Northwest no. Hold them. Walang stun. Kago, wala tayong hold. Come back. We need to hold. Come back now. Come back for now. They're gonna engage again. Just kiss W's. They're gonna fuck up engagement. Come back southeast. West now. Stun them. Wala talagang stun doon. Come back. I need stun doon sa likod nila, men. Ikot ka na, Ains. Ikot ka uli, Ains. May night armor ka na. Come back. Ains, doon ko sa likod ulit. Okay na, night armor. Magpapa-engage ako, ha. Magpapa-engage ako. Kamis. Okay, dumikit sa akin. Don't stay with me. Spread a bit. He's gonna engage on me, ha. 10 seconds sa'yo. Looking ulit. Ready purge man para hindi sila makatakbo. Gago, tatakbo na ata. Pinupul na tayo. Ayaw nila pumasok. Come south. Ayaw, gago. Come south. Don't pick. Ako lang magpipick, man. Fake engage. That's fake. They're gonna fuck up. We're gonna wait. Kiss W's. Ayaw talaga, man. Nag-bird sila dito, gago. Ayan na, looking na. Spread again. Spread, please. They're inching in. Ains RD, ah. They're inching in. They're inching in. Ready yung silence, ha. Fake yan. Fake engage yan. Mag-engage sila sa mage ata. Hold him. Sabay lang. Mag-engage sila sa mage. Di pa, brawler yan, mag-engage sa akin to, just kiss double yun lang yun inside us. Double yun lang yun inside us, come back now, don't make na short term. Come back, he's gonna engage, he's looking for me, defensive now, hold them now, push northwest, push northwest, spread east, stabilize, spread east, defense, come now, they engage, push man, push west, just push west, sige na, delay color nila, push west, wag kayo mag-broad din sa loob, push west, keep broad, spread, keep broad west, defensive, don't die, west side, keep broad west side, oh, west side 5, west side 4, 3, 2, 1, on the west, big lang on me, nice, delete, spread now, nice defensive, spread north, keep broad, spread north, ito tumatakbo defense, northwest, stand them, they're running, come northwest, they're gonna engage, defensive, don't die, heal my friend, northwest now, bro, north 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now, big clump northwest, nasa na yung pula, nasa dulo, tumatakbo yung pula, si Janice T, gago, ando sa north, ang layo ng takbo, come north, be careful, come north east, pag-engage pa to isa, nakamount na,